Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Cecilia here with us all the way from the west side of Texas, El Paso.
Yep.
Was that about 14 hours to get over here?
No, about 11.
11, huh?
Thank God there's an
80-mile speed limit helps,
yeah.
doesn't it?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. Now, Cecilia has had low back pain and right-sided and left-sided sciatica for how many years now?
3 years.
3 years. But you can see she's got a big old scar here on this right knee, and she's had a total knee replacement on this right knee, and that's altered her walking. We call that altered ambulatory kinetics, and that has affected her all the way up into her excuse me, pelvis and lumbar spine. And you can see, just as she's standing there, how she has to kind of bend the right knee because her right leg's actually a little longer, but see what that does? It shifts her pelvis way to the right on the x-axis globally, and then tilts her spine off to the left globally in the thoracic spine, and then forward on the z-axis globally as well. Now, she's also a side sleeper, I can tell, because she's twisted this way. Your shoulder's back. I was going to twist you. Turn you.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, see your right shoulder's behind your left shoulder. See your right hand's back beyond this one. So, again, I've already done her orthopedic neurological evaluation. Let's go ahead and lay on. You tell me for me here now, please. So we're going to do her first adjustment. She's going to be with us here all week this week, twice a day for 4 days in a row. Now, this is really interesting finding. Her left leg is over an inch shorter than her right leg, excuse me. And then when I bring it up, it gets almost even. That tightens up in her right knee and her thigh and her low back, especially on that right side, huh?
Yep.
Now, she's got SI joint misalignments bilaterally. That's really tender right there.
Yeah.
And that's really sore right there. That's L5. There's L. These are all sore, actually.
Mm-hmm.
She's got a curvature or scoliosis in her thoracolumbar spine right through here out to the right. She's got rib subluxations here with the vertebra in the mid-thoracic spine. Got tight shoulders, too.
Mm-hmm.
Your neck's out right there. Right there. And she has headaches frequently up here at the base of her occiput that go all the way around to her front. So I did the sacral deviation test. Go ahead and lift that whole right leg up. Okay, now relax that one. Do the same on the left. Now see, she can barely get the left one off the table. Is it harder to do this left one?
Yes.
So she does have the left SI and right SI joint adjustments, or subluxations, I mean. So I'm going to adjust both SI joints. Her sacrum in the center. And her right SI joint. There we go. I knew it was still there. Good girl.
Woo.
Yes, ma'am. That's a woo kind of adjustment. See, you're only about a ½ an inch short now. So let me see if I can get a little bit more of that. Yep. ½ inch. How's this feel compared to that first one, though?
Oh my God, amazing.
A little better?
A lot better.
Good. Okay.
Wow.
You're going to feel your head popping up a little bit on this one. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Now I'm going to let Cecilia tell you a little story here after we're done about her specific chiropractic experience. Slide down this way. And the treatment plan they wanted to put her on. There. Okay, now let's put your arms straight out to the sides, palms facing up. There Just relax your leg. Now, even though she's had a total right knee, it's safe for me to adjust this right knee and hip. There we go. Did you feel that all the way up into your pelvis?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, no, just put that one there. Let me have this one. There you
Oh,
go.
that one.
Feel that all the way up?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's sit you up and face that away now.
Oh.
There you go. There. You know, so many of our new patients that come to us from out of state or out of town, they're coming here because they've been to a chiropractor already.
Oh my God, yes.
Tell them your story about your previous chiropractic experience and what you told me a while ago.
Well, when I went to go see the chiropractor, he started with one area specific on my back, and that was the lumbar. And he wanted to put a heating pad, massage the area, and then just basically massaged it. Did a little bit of adjusting, and that was it.
Put you on an electrical muscle stim.
Yeah. Muscle stimulation and.
So I call those medipractors or therapy practors, physiopractors.
That's what it felt like.
And then he wanted you to come how often?
2 or 3 times a week for the next 6
4
to 8
months?
8, yeah.
6 months.
Yeah, 3 months.
Wow. And so did it help you?
Nope.
Cause tell our YouTube subscribers what you told me that was going through your mind when you left his office.
When I left the office, I thought, this guy's not listening to what I'm telling him. He's not adjusting me. He's not correcting where I'm telling him I'm having the pain.
Mm-hmm.
And I just felt like he's not paying attention to what I'm saying and where I'm hurting. And eventually I just said, you know, I'm not coming back to this guy.
Yeah. And that's when you made the decision to come over here after watching our YouTube videos?
Yes.
So, would you mind sharing with our YouTube subscribers? Now, we haven't done everything yet, though, so let's do this first. Oh. I want you to tell our YouTube fans about your first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. Slide down this way a little bit more. Pelvis down on this bottom pad more. More. Yep. There. Okay, I'm gonna pin your pelvic bones in here. There we go. It's gonna feel tight, and it should. Just let your legs bend and relax naturally with the table. So this is a global adjustment on the y-axis. The spine gets compressed over our lifetimes, from gravity pulling us down to the earth all the time, to our desk jobs, sitting working on a computer, text, iPhone, text neck, all that stuff. Okay, breathe through your nose.
Oh yeah, my God. Oh.
Now that was a global y-axis adjustment. You felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh my God, yes.
Ooh. Let this one relax right in my hand now. Put your hands on your stomach. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah, girl.
Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am. Well, I can assure you I didn't miss any vertical levels.
Oh no, I felt them all.
Yep. Now you're going to be a little sore after your first one here. That's okay. It's normal. I just broke up a lot of fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue in and around your joints and your disc. Go ahead and let's sit you up sideways here.
Oh my God.
We're going to stand up right here now, facing the mirror.
Wow.
Okay. Well, look how you're standing already.
Oh, there's space
Straighter.
right here.
Yeah, imagine that. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. And back to neutral. Take a look. Yeah, see, you actually have space here now.
Yeah.
Or you didn't before. Look how you're standing up straighter, too. Shoulders
Wow.
are more level now. But still, this is your homework. You're going to pull both these up and back. Thread those there. Now, look in the mirror. See, your head's forward, so we want to bring it straight back. Now, look at the wall behind you. You're going to feel a little tap right there. Right there. Now, relax.
Oh.
Okay, let's have you flex your hip forward and backwards again.
Oh, wow.
So on swivel now, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Feel like I put a little WD-40 in there?
Absolutely.
Take a look in the mirror right now.
Wow.
That's 100% better posture in just one adjustment.
Yep. Oh, my God.
So, how would you compare the Johnson chiropractic technique global adjusting of your whole body versus specific chiropractic adjustments of one or two vertebrae?
I feel 100 times better than just a specific location, specific area.
Right.
I feel much better.
Yeah, in one visit. And we got 7 more to go.
Great.
Super. Well, so what would you tell our YouTube fans around the world about your very first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief from the time you walked in the door, or actually from the time you scheduled your appointment till now?
Oh my gosh, from the time I scheduled my appointment, it's just been the waiting process just to get in here, fly in.
And tell them
just
why you
come
had
in.
to wait. Did you share a reception area?
Yeah. The reception area when I walked in was completely full and everybody's going in and out, one right after the other.
So Renee don't even have time to answer phones
No.
or be talking to
No.
people that say, how come you're not answering your phone? 'Cause
That's
the
what I
first
was
thing
thinking.
they say.
Yep.
Yep. But you got through on our website, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah. And she responded within a timely manner?
Absolutely.
We just didn't have an appointment till today.
Right.
Yep.
Right. It's just the waiting to get a slot in here. That was the long.
Yeah, and once you're a patient, you're thumbs up. You're ready to go now.
Oh, I feel so much better.
Oh, good. I'm glad. Thank you
so
for sharing
much.
your story with
Thank you so
everyone.
much.
This is your Houston non-specific global chiropractic adjustment chiropractor from Houston, Texas, Dr. Gregory Johnson at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. We'll see y'all soon.